Hello guys, in this vlog I will buy big fresh fish. First, let's go. I will buy fresh yellow. Yes, I finished buy breakfast. I know I'm back to the boarding house. When we got to the boarding house, now we will have perfect breakfast. Let's go. I have opened my breakfast and now I want to eat. Before we read the prayer of flesh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hmm. And after breakfast, I will take a shower. Yes, I finished a shower and maybe at this time this is uh, until we meet again in the next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.